going on, YouTube? Travis Thompson there, Appalachian RC. And guys, we're out here then nice Saturday morning. Getting ready to take out the F15 Eagle, guys. I come out here to do a morning flight with my turbo timber. Got a brand new 3-bladed prop, guys. Put it on. Took off straight over here. Don't know what happened. Flipped over upside down, broke the propeller. Propeller hadn't been on the plane probably 15-20 minutes. But anyway, guys, let's get the F15 up and see if I have any luck with this one. Wish me luck, guys. I've been having bad luck for some reason, but anyway, yeah, here we go, guys. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. Just a little slow fly here. Oh yeah. And they cut our field for us, so we're good. So we got that. Flying pretty good now. I think I got her trimmed out. Oh yeah. And guys, let's do this a full speed pass. Here we go, guys. So I'm playing, guys, and you can see, yes, my nose is gone, guys. I don't have it on there no more. It finally broke so many times, I just left it off, so. Sorry if I'm not talking a whole lot, guys. I'm just kind of disappointed. I didn't get to get my timber, guys. It made me sick. I was ready for that 3-bladed prop, guys, man. It looked so good. I don't know what the deal is. Now, the plastic motor mounts also broke on the timber, guys, but I got that plastic epoxy and fixed it, but it just, And when it hit upside down, it broke the propeller and then broke that plastic epoxy that I had. So I guess we'll bring her in, guys. That's the timer, so. Try to bring her back around. Get a little closer, because I don't want to walk for it. Man, guys, if I'd have known that turbo timber had done that, I'd have brought the P47 today. Man. See if we can get it slowed down a little bit, guys. Perfect, perfect. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully we get the, I've got the Trojan and the Bigfoot and the Viper, so maybe we can make a few more videos, guys, hopefully before it rains. It does look like it's going to rain, though, if y'all can see. It's pretty dark out, so. Alright, guys, there you have it. Eflite's F15 Eagle, guys, 64mm. And by the way, this has a 12-bladed fan in it instead of 11-bladed, guys. I put a 12 in it out of my F86 Sabre just to see how it works, and it does pretty good. But till we do it again, guys, if you ain't hit that subscribe button yet, guys, I sure would appreciate it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Everybody else out there that's watching, thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this. God bless you all. Stay flying. Bye-bye-bye.